Okay, guys, so once you've saved your preferences, you can go here to your copy invitation link, all right? And it's going to take you to here. Just simply hit copy meeting invitation, paste that into your email that you're going to send out to your Pride students. An important thing, though, at the end of this Zoom meeting link right here, click on the end, hit tab, and that will make that a live link that you can share out to your people. So now I'm going to try to jump into my meeting. I've got Colleen and Faye patiently waiting to join me here. And hopefully this all works. And we're going to open up, and I am going to admit Ms. Calvota from the waiting room. Hey, how's it going?
Okay, there we
I
go.
got you this time. Hopefully this is working. Having a little trouble with my Screencast-O-Matic, but so at this point we would just have our regular conference once I've got her um, uh, in here meeting with me, and we would talk about our students' comments that are in PowerSchool. They should be able to pull that up on their PowerSchool. Teachers, the parents can ask you guys questions. You can talk about their four-year plans, and then you can talk a little bit about the North Dakota Scholarship, and then make sure, emphasize it. They can be taking those CTE credits and getting those 2 credits in the column so that they've got their 2 credits in the, what do you call that? Plan of study. Thank you. So then we would go through all that stuff, and when we're done, Ms. Calvota would jump off, and we'll say bye to her. And then, as you can see over here, I've got Miss Swenson waiting in the wings, and we can add her to our meeting eventually. Hi, Miss Swenson. Do you have audio? Okay, awesome. So as you can see there, we had Miss Calvota. When I was done with her, I had Miss Swenson waiting in the waiting room, and she wasn't able to hear anything we were talking about or what was going on. And so we would have our conference, talk about how wonderful her children are and how great they're doing in school, North Dakota Scholarship, et cetera, et cetera. And then when she was done, she could get off, and I would hopefully, if I had a break, I can shut off my camera and my mic, step away, and come back, and hopefully have parents waiting in the waiting room to add into the next meeting. So, okay, thanks, Miss Swenson. We'll see you. Hopefully this works out well for you guys, and this is the way we could have our meetings. Um, Let me know if you have questions. I'm going to end meeting for all and get out of here, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.